Hello, everybody. Will the Thrill here. It's the next day. There's a chance there's hope for this 1970 Sansui 5000 receiver. There's one little, it's small, but it's very important as to why I'm getting nothing from both channels. Well, not nothing, but extremely weak response of the channels. See that there? That's supposed to be where the protector bulb should be. Well, here it is. I didn't bother putting it back in, so thank you to Jordan Peer, who made very important comments. I found the bulb and I'm going to put it back in. So he told me this is one of the reasons why I'm not getting any sound. So Jordan Beer, thank you very much. You saved me a lot of trouble. Now let's see if this will fix it. Yeah, Jordan Peer told me this is a very important, rather very important bulb. So I got to screw it back in there. I got to squeeze my fingers between the string here that controls the tuner. I'm going to go ahead and put it back in there. Put this back together, hook it back up. Before I do that, I figured I'll show you all the original caps. Look at that. Look at that. That's amazing. All original. Never been recapped. This is just the top of it. And this is just the bottom of these huge 4 caps. See that? 80 volts. 80 volts each. Look at that. That is quality. And look at this transformer. That's cool. All right. I got to put this one small but very important piece back in there. Okay, it's back in there. Put this all back together now.